What's going on, Bella Gang? It's your girl, Love Natural, back at it again with another Girl Talk. Ladies, in this Girl Talk video, I'm going to tell you how to slay on a budget. Yes, 5 hacks that I have that I personally used when I used to be in high school. This even works for college. Either or, if you're going back to high school or college, this is the video for you to definitely watch. I'm going to tell you 5 hacks, like I said, 5 beautiful hacks that you guys can learn from. And, you know, after this video, hopefully you can use my tips and use them for back to school. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bella_bars. I don't know why I almost forgot my own Instagram just now, but yes, at Bella_bars. Let's get into this video. So number 1, the first thing for you to do to slay on a budget is you want to go back to school with a convenient hairstyle that's ready to go, that not only slays and looks good, but you know it works in your favor because you know it never looks old. You're probably like, well, what hairstyle never looks old? I'll tell you right now, girl, even if you never wore this before, I tell you this is the best investment for you to invest in going back to school, especially if you don't have money like that. It's a one-time buy and it will last you for months and months, even years. And you probably guessed it. Yes, honey, you guys know I love my wigs. Get you a wig for back to school. Not just any wig. Don't go to the beauty supply store and get you a synthetic wig because synthetic wigs look good for after a day. Get you 100% human hair. It could be Brazilian, Peruvian, any type of hair. Get a human hair wig. And I'm going to help you guys out. Get you a wig like this. I always say bobs are really cute for going back to school because not only it slays, I feel like bobs is very appropriate for school. It's very low maintenance. Like literally it took me 5 minutes to put this hair on. I literally just plucked the center part, put in my Fit Me powder foundation to make my part look natural. As you can see, I didn't put no baby hairs, just the center part, and I bumped the ends a little bit and it slayed. And you know, I can't keep where I got my hair to myself, so let me go ahead and say it. Guys, you guys can slay in this hair. This is Nabeautyhair. This is my second time working with this company, and their hair, especially their bob hair, is really not only affordable, but this hair is, look at it, look at the luster, guys, look at the bounce, look at the bounce, look at the bounce. And literally I didn't go in with a flat iron in little sections and bumped it. I just did like this section, and the back. Literally took me like 5 minutes to bump my whole hair. I got so many compliments. I got this bob in a 16-inch, but I, you know, trimmed it a little bit more so it could be a little bit more asymmetrical. But this bob, I've been getting a lot of compliments. And I feel like for going back to school, it's very essential for you guys to slay. So definitely, I'm gonna put all the hair information to this, all the hair info for this hair in the description box below. Also, guys, the reason why I'm pushing for you guys to get this hair is that they're having a back to school sale. So you can get this bob for $99. Now you guys are probably thinking like, wow, like $100 sis. I thought this was like how to stay on a budget. But think about it. Me, I used to believe in synthetic wigs. Now my synthetic wigs used to cost me like $40, $50. And I would go through like 4 or 5 wigs, you know, within like 3 or 4 months. And that's way over $99. You know what I'm saying? So I'm telling you guys right now, trust me, if you want to save on a budget, you got to be smart about it. Just because something is cheaper doesn't mean that it's better. Get you some quality hair like this Nabeautyhair is definitely worth the money. It is $99. That's really affordable, especially if you're working. You know, definitely invest in this wig. And then guess what? You go on their site and see whatever sale they have for the next wig. And now you have like 4 or 5 wigs for the whole school year that you can switch up. And like I said, when you have a wig, it never gets old. Don't worry about nobody pulling it. To secure it, I put Got To Be glue. Put Got To Be glue on your edges. Wait about 5 minutes and put the wig on. Tie it. Once you take it out, you can do whatever and the wig is not going to fall off. So don't worry. And people's probably going to think that it's a sew-in because of how good you slayed your hair. I do have a how to slay a bob video on my channel. So after this video, if you really don't know how to slay your bob, don't worry, I got you. Slay your bob. I know I took so much time for number 1, but I just want to say that slaying your hair is definitely an essential for back to school. You want to look good and feel good doing it. Okay, so definitely get this hair once again. This is Nabeautyhair. All hair information will be in the description box below. And as you can see, this is only $99. I'm going to get closer for you guys. Like, this hair looks so natural and it mimics like relaxed hair. I love it so much. Now, moving on to my number 2 hack on how to slay on a budget going back to school. Number 2, let's talk about makeup, ladies. Yes, a lot of you say, oh my God, I love your makeup. Oh my God, I don't know nothing about makeup and I want to slay when I go to school every day. How do I slay my makeup? It's very simple and easy. You guys probably gonna look at me crazy after I say this, but trust me on this. If you do this, you're gonna slay every day. When you're going back to school, honey, you do not need any makeup, sis. You don't need makeup because you go to school to learn, and not even because you go to school to learn, but you know, when you wake up in the morning, I know, especially if I had an early morning class, I will wake up like almost 30 minutes, 20 minutes before I'm supposed to show up to school. I used to wake up late all the time. And makeup literally takes me like 25 to 30 minutes to do, especially even on my face right now, I'm just a casual slay. This still took me 20 minutes to do. So, sorry guys, you guys know I get hot. So, what I suggest that you guys do is slay your face without wearing makeup. And you're probably like, how do you slay without makeup? I got you right now. Do these things right here. I'm sorry guys. Do these things right here, okay? Number 1, get your eyebrows done. Get your eyebrows nicely waxed. And when you get your eyebrows done, tell them you want an arch. Get you a nice arch, all right? Get your eyebrows done. Next, this might be a little costly, but like I said, sometimes things that cost more is gonna help you in the end. Don't get the little kiss lashes that's $2.99 in the beauty supply store and every day you put them on. Because like I said, if you're going to school, you might be running late sometimes. Your face is the last thing you want to worry about. So get your eyebrows done and get mink lashes done. Those are individual lashes and they look super natural, and they stay on for like about a month to 2 months. Depending where you go, it can last up to 2 months for the individual mink lashes. I personally don't use it because I'm just comfortable with my mink lashes that I'm wearing. I'm sorry, guys. I'm comfortable with the lashes I'm wearing, but if I was in school, I would do it. And when I wear mink lashes, I usually go on vacation so I can wake up, go in the pool, you know, and my lashes are still there. That still look pretty. But I really highly suggest that all my back to school girls out there going to college, high school, get your eyebrows on, get your mink lashes, and for the lips, clear lip gloss. Don't wear red lipstick or pink lipstick because you're not wearing makeup, so it's gonna make you look crazy. You want to have clear lip gloss, eyebrows done, and mink lashes. Get you like a nice bob like this, you know, whatever wig of your choice. Promise you, you're gonna look like you're glowing. Promise you, you're gonna look pretty every time you go to school. And it doesn't take much, literally. After you get your lashes and eyebrows done, every day the only thing you're applying to your face will be lip gloss. Get you the e.l.f. clear lip gloss. That's a whole look, okay? And I will be doing my everyday makeup routine. If you do have extra time to do your makeup later on, maybe next week or something, I'm gonna do my first makeup tutorial because you guys say that you guys love my makeup so much. But yes, I definitely suggest that for back to school, don't waste no time on goddamn makeup. Get your eyebrows done, get your mink lashes, and get you some clear lip gloss, honey. Number 3, can't talk about going back to school, slaying without talking about clothes. So number 3 is always shop for your fall, your going back to school clothes. Always shop for those clothes the ending of August, because that's when a lot of stores, they put out their fall collection, and a lot of people feel like it's only July, like I'm waiting to get my fall clothes. Don't do that, because what stores tend to do is they drop the prices in the summertime and they put the prices back up during September, October months. So now you're paying more for what you could be paying less if you had gotten your school shopping done out the way in July. Don't worry if it's July if you have no plans of wearing it anytime soon, but guess what? You'll be saving your coins, and this video is all about saving our coins. So when you're shopping for clothes, make sure that you get nice fitted jeans. Get at least 5 fitted jeans, because the jeans, you can rotate them, and you know what I'm saying, it's like endless possibilities to slay. Get you a lot of like long sleeve fitted shirts. Those are cute with some jeans. Get you some nice sneakers. Even though I used to just wear heels, but you know, looking back, school is not a fashion show. You still want to slay, but you can slay in some nice sneakers, jeans, you know, like a top like this. As you can see, this is a slay. Like this is, I got like a cute little mesh top. Get you tops that, you know, that kind of fancy but casual, sexy, you know. You see guys, I'm sweating through my shirt. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so make sure you guys definitely go shopping and during July, August, because that's when the clothes are very inexpensive. And my final hack on going back to school is treat yourself. You know, when going back to school, sometimes it could be like a fashion show, and you may not have money like that. And when you go to school, you kind of feel discouraged, like, damn, like that girl got a Montclair on, and I wish I could get that jacket, but that's like a $2,000 jacket. Or, you know, I wish I could have a nice like Fendi purse or Prada purse or whatever, but oh my goodness, like I can't afford that. This is what you do. This is what you do, okay? And this is for my girls who don't got it like that. Work, do what you gotta do in the summertime, do what you gotta do, right? Invest in that jacket. It could be $1,200. Not even. If you go to Century 21 or Macy's, they usually have those same type of jackets for like, and get it in the summer now for like $500, $600. You probably be like, girl, that is a lot of money. But I'm telling you, you're gonna get your money back. This is how you're gonna get your money back. The whole time, for the whole fall or winter, you can wear that expensive coat. The minute it starts to be spring outside, you take your jacket, make sure you save your receipt, and you return it for your full refund. Now, you can't get a full refund if you buy the jacket, if it's fake, number one, or if you buy it from like a mom and pop store that nobody knows about. Buy these items at a major department store, because major department stores allow up to a year to return and get a full refund. Okay, so you can slay along with the popular girls and don't really have to pay for it. You know what I'm saying? You paying for it, but you're getting your money back. And now when you get your $500-$600 back, honey, it's now beginning to be spring and summertime. So guess what you do with that $500-$600? You flip it. Now you have a $500-$600 budget to shop your school clothes for spring and summer. Boom, right there. So that $500-$600 is gonna stretch you a long way. Now think about it. If you get a regular coat for like $50, you're probably gonna end up with another coat, or you know. The thing about having cheap stuff, cheap clothes, is like, it's not bad when you're getting it, it's a bargain, but it's not really a bargain because the material, you know, after you wash it, it doesn't look the same, it either shrinks, especially when you have a jacket, it doesn't keep you that warm. But Montclairs and, I don't know why Montclair is the only jacket that comes to mind. What is it? Mackage. All those coats are really, really good for the winter weather, and it's a really good investment. So I really urge you guys to go ahead and invest your money, because it's gonna come back to you tenfold. Okay, so those were my. Okay, it was supposed to be 5 hats. Oh yeah, I did say 5 hats. Okay. All right, yeah, those are. All right, guys, I lost track of time, but those are my 5 essential back-to-school hats for you, honey, to slay on a budget. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you found it useful. And once again, to everybody who's going back to school, be safe, stay prayed up, and once again, don't go to school without slaying, honey. And once again, I will put this hair information in the description box below. If you like this hair, definitely go ahead and purchase it. It's only $99. Nabeautyhair. Say it with me, Nabeautyhair. Hey, Nabeautyhair. Okay, all right, let's stop. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And until next time, guys, I love you so much.